Welcome to Serene Shelter. Today, we're diving into an efficient and effective method to clean up your home in just 30 minutes. Whether you have guests arriving soon or just want to enjoy a tidier space, these tips will help you achieve a cleaner, more organized home quickly and effortlessly. Let's get started. Imagine walking into a clutter-free, welcoming home where everything is in its place. Sounds dreamy, right? With our easy-to-follow guide, you'll be able to transform your living space into a serene sanctuary in no time. From tackling trash to organizing toys, we'll cover it all. First things first, assess the mess. When time is limited, it's crucial to have a clear strategy. Joanna Wyrick, founder of Joanna Organize, suggests using the 5 things method. According to Wyrick, there are only 5 categories of items in any room: trash, dishes, things that have a place, things that don't have a place, and laundry. By addressing each category one at a time, you can declutter efficiently without feeling overwhelmed. Start with the trash. Quickly scan the room for any discarded items like empty water bottles, old receipts, or takeout bags, and toss them out. Have a trash bag handy and move swiftly from room to room. This way, you can gather all trash in one go without retracing your steps. Next, gather any dirty dishes. Coffee cups and snack plates are often the main culprits. Collect these items from various rooms and take them to the kitchen sink or dishwasher. A clean sink or a dishwasher ready to run means your kitchen will feel instantly tidier. Then, move on to laundry. Collect any clothes lying around and either put them in the hamper or start a load of laundry if you have time. This includes towels in the bathroom, clothes on the bedroom floor, and even coats draped over furniture. Once the trash, dishes, and laundry are taken care of, focus on items that have a designated place. Return these items to their proper spots. This could be as simple as putting books back on the shelf or placing remote controls in their usual location. For items that don't have a specific home, gather them in a basket or bin to be sorted later. This step ensures that you can quickly clear the space without spending too much time deciding where each item should go. Now that we've tackled the basics, let's move on to paper clutter. Paper products, such as mail and magazines, can make a room look particularly messy since they accumulate quickly. The good news is that paper is easy to deal with. Grab a bag and walk through each room, picking up any paper items that can be recycled or thrown away. If you need to keep some papers, consider filing them away in folders or storing them in a designated area, like a corkboard or a check spindle. Next, let's reset the rooms. Even if your home is clean, a disheveled sofa or a wrinkled rug can make it feel less inviting. Take a few minutes to fluff your pillows, fold throw blankets neatly, and return any misplaced items to their rightful spots. These small actions can make a significant difference in the overall appearance of your space. Take a moment to stand back and admire the tidy room. This small reward can boost your motivation to keep going. Toys can often create visual chaos, especially if you have children. Use this quick cleaning session to gather all the toys and store them in their designated containers. If you have exposed toy storage, try organizing the toys by color for a more visually appealing look. Alternatively, opt for non-transparent storage options like wicker or seagrass baskets to conceal the clutter. Involve your kids in this process by turning it into a game where they race to see who can put away the most toys. Kitchen countertops are another common area where clutter tends to accumulate. To clear the countertops, start by tucking away any appliances you don't use daily, like air fryers or stand mixers. Next, organize spices and condiment bottles in bins or on lazy Susans to reduce visual clutter. Keeping these items neatly stored will make your kitchen look more orderly and spacious. Consider creating a dedicated coffee or tea station to keep your morning routine essentials organized and out of the way. Storing cleaning products in lightweight bins is another great tip to streamline your cleaning process. Group items intended for specific rooms together in labeled bins. This way, you can easily grab the bin you need and move from room to room without wasting time searching for supplies. You can use this method for various niches, such as bathroom cleaning supplies, vacuum attachments, or gardening tools. Label the bins clearly to ensure you know exactly what goes where. If you're finding these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our Serene Shelter community for more cleaning and organizing hacks. We post regular content to help you create a peaceful and clutter-free home environment. Let's move on to a few more quick tips to help you maintain this newfound cleanliness. Consistency is crucial. Make it a habit to spend a few minutes each day tidying up. Return items to their designated places after using them, and avoid letting things pile up. This daily maintenance will prevent the need for frequent, intense cleaning sessions. Another useful tip is to involve the whole family in the cleaning process. Assign specific tasks to each member to make the workload lighter and ensure that everyone contributes to keeping the home tidy. Even young children can help by picking up their toys or putting their clothes in the hamper. Create a family chore chart to keep everyone accountable and on track. Consider setting up a weekly cleaning schedule. Allocate certain tasks to specific days of the week. For example, you could dedicate Mondays to cleaning the kitchen, Wednesdays to tidying up the living room, and so on. This approach breaks down the cleaning tasks into manageable chunks and ensures that no area of the home is neglected. Next, let's focus on decluttering entryways. Entryways can quickly become cluttered with shoes, bags, and outerwear. Spend a few minutes organizing this area by putting away any shoes that aren't in regular use and hanging up coats. Use a basket or tray to corral keys, mail, and other small items that often get dropped here. An organized entryway not only looks better, but also makes it easier to find what you need when heading out the door. Consider adding a small bench with storage underneath for a convenient place to sit and put on shoes while keeping the area tidy. Another quick and effective tip is to freshen up your bathroom. Bathrooms can become messy with toiletries and other personal items scattered around. Start by clearing off the countertops, putting away items that don't need to be out, and giving the sink area a quick wipe down. Hang up any towels, and make sure the toilet paper is stocked. If you have a few extra minutes, give the mirrors a quick clean to make the space feel even more refreshed. Adding a pleasant-smelling air freshener or a fresh set of hand towels can also make a big difference. Let's not forget about the floors. A quick sweep or vacuum can make a world of difference in how clean your home feels. Focus on high-traffic areas like the kitchen, living room, and entryway. If you have more time, you can tackle the bedrooms and bathrooms as well. Keeping the floors clean helps reduce dust and allergens, making your home healthier and more inviting. Consider using a robotic vacuum for daily maintenance to keep your floors clean with minimal effort. One often overlooked area is lighting. Dusty lampshades and light fixtures can make a room look dull. Spend a few minutes wiping down light fixtures and dusting lampshades. Clean lighting not only brightens up the room, but also enhances the overall cleanliness of your space. Replace any burnout bulbs to ensure all areas of your home are well lit. Mirrors and windows are another quick win when it comes to cleaning. Smudged mirrors and dirty windows can make a room feel unkempt. Use a glass cleaner and a microfiber cloth to quickly clean mirrors and windows, letting more natural light in and giving your home a brighter, cleaner appearance. Pay special attention to frequently touched areas like doorknobs and light switches, giving them a quick wipe down as well. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of a pleasant scent. Use air fresheners, scented candles, or essential oil diffusers to give your home a fresh, inviting aroma. A nice scent can make your home feel cleaner and more welcoming, creating a pleasant atmosphere for you and your guests. Choose scents that you find calming and refreshing to enhance your overall sense of well-being. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks to create your perfect serene shelter. Leave a comment below if you have any other quick cleaning tips to share, and we'll see you in the next video.